Amy Smith here at Duncan Toyota with this 2022 Honda Odyssey Touring Edition. This one has just over 34,000 kilometers and is equipped with LED headlights, fog lights, front and rear parking sensors, remote start, automatic sliding doors, and automatic back opening hatch. We've got mud and snow rated tires. The back has a nice little scuff plate for loading any cargo, keep you protected. And in the rear here, we do have 8 seats in this one. Gonna get a little storage pocket on the left and a storage pocket on the right with a 12-volt charge. This one does need to go through detail again. It has had a few test drives. And then we've got the reclining third row seating. There's a little button to shut the hatch. And then we do get keyless entry as well. And then reclining second row seats. And they do fold forward as well. And then we also get the rear DVD player. Some rear cup holders, 2 USB plug-ins, and an HDMI cable. Moving to the inside, we've got our memory seat system and auto fold mirrors. Blind spot monitoring just right on the inside. By the driver's left knee, you're going to have a button for the hatch, windshield de-icer, perimeter alert, parking sensors, traction control, and then controls for the automatic doors. Down below, you're going to have electronic parking sensor and brake hold. On the steering wheel, we've got paddle shifters in behind. Left-hand side, we can control the volume, change the station or the song, pick up phone calls, hang up, make voice commands. Home's just going to help shuffle through things on the dashboard. Right-hand side, you've got your cruise control with the adaptive cruise and heated steering wheel. We've also got our lane center assist. Just going to turn it on here. It is push button start. Then, as you can see, the 34,482 kilometers in the corner do have automatic headlights. Checking out the display here in the center, there's our reverse camera with multiple views. And just put it in park. We've got our dual climate control, and you can also control the rear climate from up here. Have heated seats and cooling ventilated seats. Auto stop start systems, snow mode and economy mode. Moving down below, you've got your Blu-ray DVD player, USB 115-volt house inverter plug, and another 12-volt charge. Nice storage area here, cup holders, wireless phone charging pad, and nice storage inside the center console with another USB and auxiliary. Got our lockable glove box. Then 3-door garage or gate opener on the mirror. And then you have your sunglass holder and the spy mirror for the back seat so you can see what's going on. Also got the sunroof. If you like this one here, want to come check it out, just give me a text or a call. It's Amy Smith at 250-510-8488.